So I just wanted to show everyone my little easy socket holder, or I guess toolbox organizer. There is just a bunch of cans that need to be washed out. There's nothing inside the cans but just to take the labels off it. But all these sockets are held together with little pins, so they just sit there, and it just sits on this plywood stand, and yeah, it just gives the toolbox a little bit extra space. So I'll step back and you can kind of see it a little bit better. So you've still got all the space in the actual top box itself, but you've got the extra space on top. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably just place things like glues and paddle pop sticks for mixing glue in the cans, and I'll screw the cans down through the top, just into the plywood. So yeah, and I've still got this kind of space over here. These are just sitting here, but for now I don't have anything to put there. So that's a little easy socket organizer.